Guud Lyfe Smoothies video for y'all. First day I'm filling up the water tank. I'm trying to get an idea of everything working. I'm a little nervous about everything, but everything's everything right now. Water's going in, filling up. Water source going over here. Bam. 100 foot. So we're gonna see how everything work out. Yeah. I wait till it overflow, but I ain't gonna sit here and videotape this time, and I'm also going to start up this engine for the first time, so I'll take another video for y'all. But this is everything in this. See, it's filling up. See how it goes. Hopefully everything cut on. Cut the main valve on. Hopefully the pump, everything works. Switch. The pump, everything works. You know, hopefully everything just do what it's supposed to do. First time firing everything up. I'm gonna have another video of just everything running, hopefully, for y'all. I pray I'm able to do that fairly soon. But until then, I want y'all, you know, while I'm working it out, figuring it out, I want y'all to continue to enjoy the good life. All right.